seamless overlay bras. Very, very popular from Run to Sheer. They always go fast, so make sure you're locking those in as quickly as you can. Before 10 faves is over, we've got to talk about a little bit more of a serious subject, and that's pain. If you have pain, you know how hard it is to sleep, you know how hard it is to move throughout the day, you know how hard it is to like get back to your regular activities, or whether it's tennis or whether it's working in the garden or just walking the dog. Dr. Ho has been with HSN for 25 years. He is the doctor of pain. He's gonna bring you the 10 service today. This is the Pain Therapy System Pro with 20 adhesive pads. We have a price break of $109.95. We just took $20 off the price. This is an exclusive configuration for HSN. Usually this retails on an infomercial for $199. So instead of $199, we're gonna not only give you the unit, we're gonna give you the extras for $90 off the retail price. So if pain is something that you struggle with every day, you probably have heard about TENS. Now let's talk about TENS. It's transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. And this is part of the solution to pain. It's recommended for the temporary relief of pain associated with sore or aching muscles due to strain from exercise, normal household, and work activities. Great for lower back pain, great for arms, great for legs, great for tennis elbow or carpal tunnel syndrome. It's a proprietary auto-modulated wave that's going to get right to the source. This is what the Pain Therapy System Pro is all about. 7 massage or stimulation modes, a self-adhesive gel pad mode. Those are easy to apply and reapply. Easy to read LCD screen. This LCD screen is so cool. I wonder if I can turn mine on. Let's see, is it on? On. Here it is. There's an on button. It's so easy. This is the largest LCD screen I've seen with any TENS unit in all my experience taking you shopping over the last 10 years. So notice how it says A, B, C, D, E, F. Really big fonts. So if you have it, hard time reading those smaller letters, super easy to read. You're gonna just maybe pick your pressure level or your intensity level, and there's 7 different levels to choose from there. And it's so easy to read that LCD screen. Now, what's really cool about the LCD screen is there are 2 inputs. So the input could go to 1 for your shoulder, maybe 1 for your leg, or maybe 1 for your back, 1 for your neck. You can actually treat 2 areas of your body at the same time. Or you could share with somebody else. If you're sitting on the couch, you could be applying the TENS therapy system to your shoulder, and maybe your spouse could be doing it on their wrist. Maybe they've been doing a lot of yard work, or maybe it's, your repetitive movement at your job and you're waking up with pain. If pain is keeping you from sleeping throughout the night, there's no reason why you should have to live with that. And that's why this is the choice of professionals. You'll find these TENS units in doctor's office. You'll find them with physical therapists. My sister's a physical therapist. She uses the TENS system. And if you've ever had this done, at a clinic or a doctor's office, usually you pay your copay or your price and they'll hook you up, and then they walk away and they leave you sitting in an office for 20, 30 minutes while you're paying for that service. Why don't you do that service at home? So use this a couple times. It's already paid for itself. And look at all the fun stuff you're gonna get. It's not just the Dr. Ho Pain Therapy System, but you're also getting 16 of the massage pads. And those are really easy to clean and reuse. You're getting 4 of the extra large massage pads. You're getting 2 wires. That's important because those 2 wires can connect to 2 different areas of the body at the same time. I love that system. And then you're getting the carrying case, you're getting the extra large LCD screen. Those are the extra large pads here. And then you're also getting a DVD with Dr. Ho's instructions. So you'll have all the information you need. You also get a chart that kind of can give you some great inspirations and great diagrams so you know exactly where to apply the unit. There's no messy gels or creams. I want to share how easy this is to use. I don't want you to take my word for it. I want you to hear from someone who had a chance to try Dr. Ho's and hear what everyone has to say. He's been here for 25 years at HSN. This is the system you want to try if you are experiencing pain of any kind. So we're going to go ahead and share that with you. Here it is.
Pain was located primarily in my rotator cuff, which led to muscle tension across my back and up into my neck. Would affect me in my workaday, my ability to relax, and more importantly, my ability to sleep through the night. Since I started using Dr. Ho, I'm finding myself able to get through the workday, much better range of motion, no pain, and most importantly, a great night's sleep. What I love about Dr. Ho is the variety of the treatment that is going through. You get the power, you get the intensity in a very small, easy to use unit.
Oh, we're out of time on those testimonials, but I just wanted you to get a feel for what everyone is experiencing. They're experiencing relief of pain, temporary relief of those minor aches and pains associated with your daily activity.